2, 3, and fly! Ganyang energy yung gusto ko, guys. One more time at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Alam mo kami, ready na nga ang ating mga bisita, mga kuya. Ready na ba ang ating mga kalaw? Now guys, prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang po. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... What a perfect catch, Mr. Bill and JJ. And this is Barak Carbilon Gomako with Kuya Cyril. And guys, and once again, this is Barak Carbilon Gomako with the scientific name of Barak Ararauna, meaning genius. So why are they called the geniuses? Because they have the mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. Yes po, magkasing talino na po sila ng 4 na taong gulang na bata. And just like most parrots, guys, they have what we call zygodactyl feet. Now what is zygodactyl feet nga ba? Ipapakita yan ni Baraki using a Filipino footwear called Kadang-Kadang. Now Barak, sakay, and march. That is zygodactyl feet in action po. So in the front, so in the back, the line out to grab items. So march again boy, left, right, left, and baba. Palakpakan naman po natin si Barak, guys. Now, at dahil dyan Barak, may hyper ka kay Kuya Cyril. Wow. One more time. There you go. At hindi lang yan guys, si Barak ay napaka-sweet. Na Barak, kiss to Kuya Cyril. Wow. Kami lang kiss ni naman. Kami lang kiss ni Barak. Wow. Siyempre, hindi dyan nagtanong po si Barak, guys. Si Barak ay isang eco-warrior din. So, sino nga pa dito ang nagsasagigate ng kanilang mga basura? Nasa kamay? Nasa kamay? Nagsasagigate ng kanilang mga basura. Ayun sila, Kuya Kenji, sila mga kiddos, no? How about the others, yung mga hindi nagtaas ng kamay? Nako po, this afternoon. Now, Barak, are you ready? Kuya Cyril. Okay, ready. At the count of 3. Napag ang basura. 1, 2, 3, and go! Yung kinukuha ni Barak, guys, it's a piece of plastic which is gonna go to non-biodegradable bin, and another piece of trash, boy. Leaf ng naman or dahon which is gonna go to biodegradable bin. Last 2 na lang, boy. Ano yun, boy? Dahon or leaf which is gonna go again to the biodegradable bin. One last piece of trash, boy. Plastic. Saan nilalagay ang plastic? Sa non-biodegradable bin. Palakpakan po natin si Barak. Good job, Barak. Now, kung kaya ni Barak ng ating mga kuya, mga sir, syempre, kaya din natin, no? Now, dahil galing pa ng Brazil si Barak, magpapaalam na po siya ng mga ating mga kuya. Wave bye-bye to Barak po. Wave bye-bye. Now, Barak, mag-bye-bye ka na sa kanila, Barak. Say bye-bye to everybody.
Okay, bye-bye.
Uy, bye-bye. Uy,
okay, bye-bye.
pag ginagawa po yan, Barak, ibig sabihin, Listo wants to stage the show. However, we need to highlight our other animal ambassadors. Diba, Barak? Once again, guys, this is Barak, our balloon Gomako with Kuya Cyril. Palakpakan po natin sila. Thank you.